today I show you how I turned this PC into a Minecraft server. Let's go. Okay, so I started actually trying to do this on my Raspberry Pi, but since I have a Raspberry Pi A+, 3A+, that means I only have half a gigabyte of RAM, which means that you need at least 1 gigabyte of RAM to host a Minecraft server. And yeah, basically I don't have that much, obviously. I have half a gig, so yeah, but I have half a gig, so anytime I would start it would just say it would do this, and I would just get stuck uploading libraries, basically. It did make the files, but it didn't actually do anything. It didn't actually start it up. I did get a 1.12 server to work, but it didn't disclose anytime someone joined, and a 1.8 server worked with 0 render distance, like 2 render distance. So I was like, okay, what the heck, let's just move on here. So first I tried to do it on Ubuntu, but yeah, specifically Ubuntu server. But yeah, Ubuntu server, but yeah, so yeah, this computer has a Wi-Fi card that Ubuntu doesn't have a driver for, and an Ubuntu server, I don't know how to get the driver, so we kind of can't. So I tried a couple other Linux distros, they didn't work, so I was like, okay, is there such a thing as like Windows server? And there is. That's not what this is though, because Windows server is not free. And I am trying to make this as free as possible with using only things that I have already. So let's start getting into it. So basically I heard of this thing called Purpur. Purpur is like Paper Minecraft, but even more optimized. And it works with bucket plugins and spigot plugins, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, and then I just installed. So yeah, you can obviously see that the server turns on, but I'm going to get to when it's fully turned on. So yeah, this is the Purpur client thing. It like shows you your memory usage, players, and as you can see, it booted up in 17 seconds. It's actually not that bad. Now, I have an expensive computers. Everybody's actually not that good. People start joining. There's many people like 65. As you can see, my CPU is very high. 90% I have a 110 MHz 2-core CPU, 4 gigabytes of RAM, DDR, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and my hard drive, it's like a 5,400 RPM, 60 gigabytes of hard drive. But anyway, yeah, so. So unfortunately, this computer does not have a good enough graphics card to run Java Minecraft, so I'm gonna go downstairs and join from my other computer.
Okay, so as you can see, I'm currently on the server, working pretty well. So yeah, you can since I'm the only person on the server, it's fine, but TPS drops are weird. It's because my RAM is filling up, is what you notice. So yeah, doubling the RAM would make a ton of difference. It seems that's the issue every time, but it's fine as long as you're not flying or generating chunks. But yeah, we're done with 3 people and we're all generating chunks, and it's not an issue definitely. And yeah, you're going, especially at 40 you're going down the site. That these chunks will not generate for a while. That's just kind of the thing that happens. Yeah. Alright, I'm on creator, so but yeah, this is a survival mode. I'm just showing off. But yeah, so this wasn't actually the main problem. Okay, so anyway, yeah, you can see it obviously works, except for when it doesn't. Maybe I'll close my free. Oh, there's a better here, good to know. Anyway, I'm just gonna do it. Anyway, so yeah, it worked pretty well. You can obviously play in some appearances, and usually it's fine as long as you're not generating chunks. There's another issue though.
Okay, so you can see that's working. It obviously just like a Minecraft server. So that should be it, right? We just go port forward. So let's just open our Chrome. So my router is T-Mobile. Just gonna cover that up right there. We're just gonna move there. But you can see, like, wow, support. So great, and home. And I can click on the T-Mobile logo. But does it, where does it say port forwarding? Wait, where's port forwarding? So, there is no port forwarding because T-Mobile is a cellular data network, so it pretty much uses the T-Mobile cellular as your home internet, which means, for some reason, I don't know why, basically everyone in your area connected to that cell tower uses the cell tower's IP address instead of their own home IP address. So if someone requests something from the server, it's going to request it to all of the people using that IP address. Which obviously that won't work because most of those people won't have the information. Only I have it. And this took me so long to figure out how to do this. You don't use this, you actually use a program called, and it actually makes it much simpler. You use a program called Ngrok. And Ngrok is basically like a port forwarding thing. So it just gives you an IP And basically, all you have to do is just go and type in Ngrok TCP, and then your server site internal IP, which I can put right here because no one's gonna be able to join it. 213, and then port number 25565. And I don't have the SSH client open, so don't try to SSH into my computer. And then you click enter, and it starts up your thing. So now it's hosting it on this IP, but anytime I click Control C to quit it, which is like anytime my computer turns off or anytime I close my computer, I have to retype that in, and it's gonna give me a new IP and a new port. So yeah, and I don't know how to fix it on Windows. I know on Linux you can fix it. Well, you can like add it to a Discord server and like make like a channel that has the rotating IP address. But yeah, so now I'm gonna connect from over the internet.
Okay, so if I'm looking back at my recording, the IP is 0.tcp.ngrok.io, and the port was 11483, and let's join, and there we go. So yeah, now we are joined over the internet. As you can see, in a little bit, the ping will go up a lot, because, and yeah, like, we're going through Ngrok, so it does make it a little laggier. There we go, 55 milliseconds, even though I'm in the same house as this. I had like 3 earlier, but it's not that bad. Still definitely playable. Like, my furnace, you can tell, like, it does take, like, here, I'll put my, you can tell it does take like a 1/10 of a second, but it doesn't actually make a difference. I mean, unless you're playing, oh boy, okay. Why did you do that, Mr. Purpur? Anyway, I'm just gonna casually fill this in this. Anyway, so yeah, obviously, I mean, it still works. I don't know, it goes up to around 250 milliseconds sometimes, but definitely still playable. Oh my god! Yo! Chill! Oh my gosh. You good? Bro. Oh, there we go. 200 milliseconds, that's high units. But yeah, sitting around 150. But yeah, so obviously, playable. I should go to yeah, anyway, so options work, but not the best options. There aren't any other options if you cannot do that, where you just don't obviously you can do this, but yeah. I don't know why that goat just attacked me, but okay. Anyway, thanks for watching, and check out some of my other videos. Goodbye.